This is a 2004 Toyota Highlander with a 3.3 liter 3MZ FE engine, and it also has the U151E 5-speed automatic transmission. This car is in the shop for a transmission service. Now I'm going to give you a quick tip that makes life a lot easier when you go to do this job. I've already opened up the transmission, and I just want to show you that in this car, the transmission flange for the oil pan is right above the engine cradle, and it's very awkward to gain access to these bolts that are right here along the flange when you're trying to put the oil pan back on. It does help to unfasten the fastening nuts for this side motor mount, and raise the transmission, but even so, it's still very difficult to get in there. So how do we get the bolts back in? This is the transmission pan, and what I want to show you is I've already put the gasket back on. The new gasket is on here, and what I've done is I've pre-started every bolt. Okay, so the bolt is actually just, each one of these bolts is threading in to the gasket. So this holds the bolts in place, and it lines them up with the holes on the flange, and it makes it easier to start the problem bolts, the ones that are along this edge. This is how this would face in the car. Okay, so it's the bolts along this edge that are the problem to reach, and this one is a real pain. So that's my tip to help you with this job. Good luck with it. Hope you enjoyed this video.